Hello students, today we are going to learn about maximum power transfer theorem. In our last preceding lectures, we have learned about Thevenin's theorem, superposition theorem, Norton's theorem, and today is maximum power transfer theorem. The statement for this maximum power transfer theorem is, it states that maximum power will be delivered to a load resistance if the load resistance connected to the network is equal to the internal resistance of the network delivering the power. Internal resistance is represented here by Ri and load resistance is RL. म्हणजे जेव्हा कोणत्याही नेटवर्कचं इंटरनल रेजिस्टन्स हे इक्वल टू लोड रेजिस्टन्स एवढं जर असेल तर त्यावेळेला त्या नेटवर्ककडून लोड रेजिस्टन्सला जाणारी पॉवर हे मॅक्झिमम असेल. अँड वी हॅव टू प्रूव्ह दिस स्टेटमेंट. फॉर दिस कन्सिडर अ नेटवर्क कन्सिस्टिंग ऑफ व्होल्टेज सोर्सेस अँड रेजिस्टन्सेस and load resistance RL which is connected across A and B as shown in this figure. Suppose this is the network we have. In this network, this is the network consisting number of voltage sources, number of resistances, and this is the load resistance RL, and the power is transferring from this network, this circuit to the load resistance. But according to Thevenin's theorem, we have seen in Thevenin's theorem that the linear network can be replaced by Thevenin's equivalence circuit, in which all the resistance can be replaced by all the resistance. That is any network can be replaced by Thevenin's resistance and Thevenin's voltage in series. ठीक आहे, जे आपण Thevenin's theorem मध्ये बघितलेलं आहे. This Thevenin's voltage which is also called as open circuit voltage, and this Thevenin's resistance which is also called as internal resistance. This is the internal resistance of the circuit. Now this is the circuit. This is the network. This network is replaced by this Thevenin's equivalent network, and this is the load resistance RL which is connected across A and B. Now consider this internal resistance IN and this open circuit voltage that is equal to Thevenin's voltage. Now suppose IL is the current flowing through load resistance RL because of this circuit. This is the load current IL. Now these two resistances now are in series, that is internal resistance. आता याला पण याला internal resistance म्हणू. Internal resistance and this load resistance are in series. Therefore the current IL from above circuit, we can say that the current IL must be the voltage upon resistance. Therefore what is the voltage? That is open circuit voltage, which is the Thevenin's voltage, which is also called as open circuit voltage, that is VOC upon resistance. What is the resistance? That is these are two in series combination. Therefore I R in internal resistance plus load resistance, that is R in plus RL. Therefore the power delivered to RL is, suppose that power is त्याला आपण नाव देऊ PL. PL is the power delivered to load resistance by this circuit, and we know that what is the power? Power is equal to current into voltage, that is here IL and here it is VOC. This can be also written as voltage equal to current into resistance, that is current into current, that is current square, that is it can be written as IL square, and R in, that is RL. Okay, that is this the power delivered to the load resistance RL. Now this is IL square into RL. Now we have IL equal to VOC into this is RL upon VOC upon R in plus RL. Now suppose this is equation number 1 here. Now we know that when the power is maximum, कोणती पॉवर जेव्हा मॅक्झिमम असते, सपोज इफ यू ड्रॉ द ग्राफ बिटवीन, सपोज वी हॅव द ग्राफ बिटवीन पॉवर and this is load resistance RL. Suppose the load resistance RL increasing, the power is suppose increasing, it will achieve maximum value, and then after it will decrease. That is, this is the maximum value, this is the maximum value, or it will be constant here. That is the maximum value. This is the power increasing as the load resistance increases, the power is increasing, and it at a particular point it will be constant. That is, at this particular point of RL, at this particular RL, at this particular value RL, the PL is constant. PL is constant. Therefore, if we derive this PL with respect to RL at this point, it must be derivative of PL with respect to derivative of RL must be equal to 0, because it is constant. We know that the derivative of constant is always 0. Therefore, at maximum, that is, this is at maximum. Therefore, we can say that at maximum power, we can write dPL upon dRL must be equal to 0. And we have the equation for PL. We have the equation for PL is VOC RL upon Rin plus RL. This is the equation for PL. Okay. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to RL. Therefore, we get here dPL upon RL equal to, that is, D upon dRL. What is PL? PL equal to here VOC RL upon Rin plus RL. Rin plus RL. Now differentiate this. If we differentiate this is with respect to RL. Therefore, this differentiation can be written as here VOC square ddRL into या ठिकाणी 1 सेकंड आपण या ठिकाणी IL स्क्वेअर घेतलेला आहे. What is in this case? We have taken IL square. It is IL equal to VOC upon Rin plus RL. Here is IL square. Therefore, it should be VOC square upon Rin plus RL square. याचा स्क्वेअर घ्यावा लागेल आणि आपण त्याचा स्क्वेअर घ्यायला विसरलो होतो. या ठिकाणी जर स्क्वेअर घेतलं तर या ठिकाणी किती होऊन जाणार? VOC स्क्वेअर Rin plus RL square. ओके. मग VOC बाहेर काढला, DDRL ऑफ RL, DRL ऑफ RL, आणि ही टर्म वरती घेऊन जाऊ, म्हणजे काय होऊन जाणार? Rin plus RL raised to the power -2. ही टर्म वरती घेतली -2. Now if we differentiate this, what we get? VOC square, this is constant here, and it will be differentiate करा याला एक वेळेस, याला एक वेळेस, आणि आपल्याला मिळणार, याला differentiate केला तर मिळणार 1 into this is constant as it is, that is Rin plus RL raised to -2 plus, now take this as it is RL. Now differentiate of this, that is will be -2 into differentiation of this, that is equal to Rin plus RL raised to the power here -1, that is -3. That will be equal to -3. Now it will be VOC square into Rin plus RL raised to the power -2 minus twice RL into Rin plus RL raised to the power -3. Okay. Then we get VOC square, आणि याच्यामधून समजा आपण या दोन टर्ममधून Rin प्लस RL रेस्ट टू द पॉवर -3 जर कॉमन काढला, म्हणजे Rin प्लस RL रेस्ट टू द पॉवर -3 जर कॉमन काढला, तर या ठिकाणी आपल्याला मिळणार -3, दॅट इज Rin प्लस RL रेस्ट टू द पॉवर 1 मायनस twice RL. ओके. या ठिकाणी 1 राहणार, याला मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर -3 प्लस 1 दॅट इज -2, आणि याला मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर -3. ठीक आहे. या ठिकाणी 1 राहणार, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला मिळणार -3 खाली घेऊन घेऊ, आणि हे वरती राहणार, आणि या ठिकाणी मिळणार आपल्याला बघा Rin प्लस मायनस आर एल. आता या ठिकाणी बघा आर इन प्लस आर एल मायनस टॉईस आर एल, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी मिळते आर इन मायनस आर एल. ओके, म्हणजे वरती मिळणार आपलं मायनस आर एल आणि व्ही ओ सी स्क्वेअर, आणि हे खाली घेतलं तर आर इन प्लस आर एल मायनस 3. ओके, दिस इज डी पी एल अपॉन आर डी आर एल, डी पी 1 अपॉन डी आर एल. Okay, and which is equal to here at maximum, which is equal to 0. Therefore at maximum power this term should be equal to 0 because dPL upon DRL is 0. Therefore we get here R in minus RL VOC square upon R in plus RL minus 3 should be equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Now in order to make this equation 0, here R in should be equal to RL because this minus this should be equal to 0. Here is plus, this cannot be 0. This is the voltage source which cannot be 0. Therefore in order to make this equation 0, Rn should be equal to RL or RL should be equal to Rin. Then Rin minus Rin, that is will be 0. That is above equation is true for R L equal to R in, R L equal to R in. Therefore at maximum power R L should be equal to R in. Okay, and this is the statement for maximum power transfer theorem. That is, this is the proof of theorem. This is the proof of maximum power transfer theorem. Now at the maximum we have from equation number this equation, suppose equation number 1. Now from equation number 1 we have from equation number 1 we have PL equal to VOC square RL upon R in plus RL square. Okay. At maximum power, आता आपण पाहिला at maximum power RL is equal to R in, that is at maximum power RL equal to R in internal resistance. ठीक है. Therefore we can write here PL, but PL what? At maximum. PL maximum आपण या ठिकाणी आता R in च्या ठिकाणी RL टाकू, म्हणजे आपल्याला काय मिळणार VOC स्क्वेअर RL अपॉन R in च्या ठिकाणी आपण टाकू आता RL, म्हणजे काय मिळणार RL प्लस RL whole square, that is equal to, this can be written as VOC square RL upon RL plus RL, that is twice RL whole square, that is this can be written as VOC square RL upon, that is equal to 4RL square. Here एक RL cancel होऊन जाणार, म्हणजे आपल्याला मिळणार VOC square upon 4RL, and this is the expression for maximum power. This is the expression for maximum power which is delivered to the load resistance. This equation is very important for problem solving. This is the expression for maximum power which is delivered to the load resistance RL. Okay.